Have you ever dreamed of picking fresh vegetables from your own backyard instead of buying them at a store? Well, that's exactly what I decided to do this year. I started my home garden from scratch, and in no time at all, I was already harvesting food from my family. Let me take you back to where it all began. The very first step was simple. I headed to Home Depot to buy some veggie plants and basic gardening supplies. I wanted to start small, so I picked lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplant, peppermint, peppers, and pak choi, also called Chinese cabbage. Once home, I watered the land and started to loosen the soil so my plant would have room to grow.
You want me to stop?
Then I organized them according to how much sun or shade they needed and carefully decided where each one should go. This part was the most exciting. Putting the plants into the soil, I made sure each hole was deep enough, gave them a good drink of water, and gently pressed the soil around them.
Here? You see my hand? Yeah.
Honestly, it felt so rewarding to see my little garden come to life.
Oh. Strawberry. Eggplant, tomatoes.
The first week was all about watering every day, sometimes even twice a day, especially because it was sunny and hot. By the second week, I already had lettuce from last season that was ready to pick. And that gave me so much motivation. And then after just 3 weeks, my new lettuce was ready to harvest too. In fact, on July 1st, we didn't even need to buy salad. We just picked from the garden. That was such a proud moment.
Yeah.
And within a month, we had our very first big harvest. fresh spinach, cucumbers, celery, peppermint, and pak choi. It was amazing to see how quickly the garden started giving back. But as the days went by, the garden really began to take off. But that also meant new challenges. I noticed some bugs attacking my leaves, weeds starting popping up everywhere, and my tomatoes and cucumbers were growing all over the place. I had to tie them up and give them support so they wouldn't fall over. It was a bit of extra work, but that's all part of gardening. So that's how my garden started, from nothing to harvesting fresh vegetables in just a few weeks. And this is just the beginning. In my next video, I'll show you guys exactly how I handled those garden challenges, what I did about the bugs, and give you an update on my eggplant, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along if you're curious about how a newcomer mom is growing her own food right here in Canada. Thank you so much, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.